Very good morning to all of you. Can anyone listen to me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rest of the students are in the other lecture or they have not started? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Where are other students?
Sir, I don't know, sir. The messages came to WhatsApp already.
Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. પોઝિટિવ રિપ્લે હતું એના જોડે એ ના હોય ને, એ તો એવું માની લે કે મને ખોલતો છે એટલે હું પોઝિટિવ છું, એવું પણ થઈ શકે ને. સરસ. રિપોર્ટ લઈને આવો, કાલે આવશે. મારે બેવા નહીં જોડે. Very good morning, students. I hope I am audible and the screen is also visible to all of you. Please respond yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have already covered this topic of small signal half wave rectifier, positive part as well as the negative half. We have started with the waveform generators. So if I am not wrong, we have completed the square wave generators. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We also started with the triangular wave generator, where the initial part, that is the square wave generator, was given to the indicator circuit, which would give the output as a triangular wave. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have done this derivation. We have done this graph also.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We started with this thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Another circuit of the same thing which would generate a triangular waveform as per our talks. We have done this thing.
नहीं सर, ग्राफ बाकी है.
No, sir.
सिर्फ सर्किट डायग्राम नोट किया था, ऐसा था?
Yes, sir.
ओके. हम लोगों ने जो लास्ट पॉइंट लिखा था वो कुछ इस तरह के से था कि भाई जो ये जो सर्किट है, इस सर्किट
students, हमने A1 previous लिखी थी. Another circuit for triangular wave generator where A1 is the comparator circuit, A2 is the integrator circuit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
हेलो मौशिन, आई वाज एबल टू हियर, सॉरी.
सर इसमें हमने सिर्फ फिगर ड्रॉ की थी.
नहीं, लास्ट पॉइंट क्या लिखा था इस टॉपिक में, ट्रायंगुलर वेव जनरेटर में?
सर ट्रायंगुलर वेव जनरेटर में हमने लिखा था कि वो पहला वाला आता है ना टॉपिक, उसमें इंटीग्रेटर हमें डालना है तो ट्रायंगुलर वेव आएगा। फिर हमने ये फिगर ड्रॉ की थी, फिर हमने
हमने कंडीशन लिखी थी 5R3C2 is greater than
हाँ
T
सर,
by 2,
हाँ सर वो लिखी थी।
और वो भी लिखा था कि with R4 is equal to 10R3.
यस सर वो लिखा था।
Okay, so लिखिए another circuit for triangular wave generator where A1 is comparator and A2 is integrator. What is A2? This is A2. This part is A2. This part is A1. So another circuit for triangular wave generator where A1 is comparator and A2 is integrator. Any doubts?
नो सर।
Okay. Once you write it down, please let me know so that I can proceed further. Yes or no?
यस सर नोटेड।
A1, in case of A1, it compares voltage at P, it compares voltage, it compares the voltage at P with pin number 2 at 0 volts. With pin number 2 at 0 volts. Then voltage goes above or below 0 volt. When voltage goes above or below 0 volt, output of A1 is minus VCC or plus VCC. Output of A1 is minus VCC or plus VCC. I hope you are getting it.
यस सर।
Now, output of A1 is plus VCC. If the output of A1 is plus VCC, this output goes to the input of A2. This output goes to the input of A2. And output of A2 would then be minus or negative going RAM. Negative going RAM. And output of A2 would be negative going RAM. Just wait a minute. Shailesh bhai, just wait a minute, beta. All of you. Okay, students. So I'm going to continue with the same thing. Output of A2 is negative going RAM. Output at one end, I repeat, output at one end of the voltage divider circuit, output at one end of the voltage divider circuit, R2, R3 is plus VCC of A1. R2, R3 is plus VCC of A1. And Other is negative going ramp of A2, and other is negative going ramp of A2. Negative going ramp of A2. Can I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Negative going ramp attains. Negative going ramp attains a certain value. Attains a certain value of minus V ramp at point P. At point P. Slightly below 0 volt. Slightly below 0 volt. So output of A1. So output of A1 will switch from positive VCC to minus VCC that is output of A2 instead of going negative will now go to positive side and it will continue till it reaches plus VRAM. At this point, E dash is above 0 volt, hence E1 is switched back to plus VCC. Then output comparator A1 is plus VCC, the output of indicator A2 the output of indicator A2 decreases until decreases until it reaches minus V RAM. It reaches minus V RAM. Next point. Next point. At this instant, output of A1, output of A1 switches from switch, switches from plus VCC to minus VCC, plus VCC to minus VCC. Just before switching voltage at P is 0 volt, that is પહેલા આ ગ્રાફ ડ્રો કરી લો પછી હું આ ગ્રાફને એક્સપ્લેન કરું છું. પહેલા આ ગ્રાફ ડ્રો કરી લો પછી હું ગ્રાફને એક્સપ્લેન કરું છું. Once you draw the graph, please do let me know. Once you draw the graph, please do let me know.
Okay, so data reduction. Consider what's okay. What's that? You are sending emails for video at that time. I is reducing the time, restricted for video, and then it is sending at the receiver. So that is data reduction. Okay. So consider we are no data. Okay. Consider better classification. Whether we are to consider 20 better classification are there. Can you know about the exact how? But I think it's 20. Okay. And when we forward they are recording various data. So if we can consider annual data. Okay. So that annual data is very huge. And if you want to full information from that data, that case, we are going to go for this kind of statistic. In that case, it may consume time. So instead of that, if you are going for data reduction, okay, in that case,
Okay.
data reduction is not always there.
I will just wait for one more minute till any other student respond, then we can proceed. Anyone else who has completed?
Data reduction
Yes,
size
sir. Done.
Okay. Okay.
Just reduce size data. We are going to
Please note down.
okay.
Minus VRAM must be across R2. Minus VRAM must be across R2.
This data we are
Plus VCC must be across R3. Plus VCC must be across R3.
started data reduction.
So
Consider we are
minus VRAM upon R2
consider this
is equal to plus VCC upon R3 minus VRAM upon R2 is equal to plus VCC upon R3, which can be further written as minus VRAM is equal to, which can be further written as minus VRAM equals to minus R2 upon R3 minus R2 upon R3 multiplied by plus VCC. Multiplied by plus VCC. I hope you are able to understand this thing. वोल्टेज डिवाइडर रूल अप्लाई किया, वी रैंप पे क्या पोजीशन होगी जब R2 के अक्रॉस होगा और VCC की क्या पोजीशन होगी जब R3 के अक्रॉस में होगा, उन दोनों को अप्लाई किया, सो माइनस वी रैंप का एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू पता चलेगी. इसी तरह से हम लोग प्लस वी रैंप की भी एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू निकालेंगे बाय दिस पर्टिकुलर फार्मूला. So plus VRAMP is equal to minus R2 upon R3 multiplied by minus VCC. I hope you are able to write it down. The equation is written in the front of the screen also. Now we are going to calculate V peak to peak, that is output voltage from P to P. Can I proceed? Dear students, can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So please note down, VPP is equal to output voltage peak to P point, that is plus VRAM minus of minus VRAM. We'll put these above values and what we get is 2 times of R2 upon R3 multiplied by VCC. Please mark it as equation number A. We know that VCC value is this. So amplitude of the triangular waveform will decrease with increase in R3. Will decrease with increase in R3. Hence, time taken to swing from minus VRAM to plus VRAM. I repeat, time taken to switch the ramp graph, the ramp from P to P dash or from P dash to P. That is the time taken to swing from minus VRAM to plus VRAM is equal to T by 2, half of the time period, half of the total time period. So now we are going to calculate that thing. We know that Vi is equal to minus VCC, V0 is equal to V0 of PP, and capacitor is not there, so C is equal to 0. So V0 formula minus 1 upon R1 C1. Only we are going to evaluate the half portion because we are only trying to take the time swing. That swing which is between minus VRAM to plus VRAM. That is minus 1 upon R1 C1 integration 0 to T by 2 minus VCC dt. So this is equal to VCC R1 C1 T by 2. Okay. I hope you are able to see this equation. Please calculate in terms of capital T. Please calculate it in terms of capital T and use equation number A that you have marked just now. Use equation number A that you have marked just now to calculate VOPP. Put the value of VOPP over here and finally calculate capital T. Please let me know the answer of capital T. Hello students. Hello students. I hope my voice is audible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is capital T formula? Final formula, please let me know. Yes, Muaz, 46. Enrollment number
Yes, sir.
46. Beta, what is the
Yes,
formula
sir.
of capital T?
So 4R1 into R2 into C1 divided by R3.
ओके, ये है फॉर्मूला कैपिटल टी का. और यदि मैं इसको फ्रीक्वेंसी की टर्म्स में कैलकुलेट करूंगा तो इसका 1 अपॉन टी हो जाएगा. एफ इज नथिंग बट 1 अपॉन टी.
Yes,
So
sir.
न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएगा R3 और डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा 4R1 R2 C1. Any doubts in this?
No, sir. No.
Okay. So now we are proceeding for our next generator waveform, which is known as sawtooth wave generator. Sawtooth wave generator का circuit diagram कुछ इस तरह से है. I request everyone to kindly draw the circuit diagram so that we can proceed further. Once you have drawn the circuit diagram, please do let me know.
This pie chart will open. Okay, then each and every section is going to be written.
Dear students, I hope positively you might have received the mid-semester syllabus of ACD subject.
Now, talking about this pieces,
Yes, sir.
So as per our talk and discussion, we have kept the first 3.5 chapters for the mid-semester syllabus. Very soon we would be going to complete this chapter so that it would be helpful for you to understand its application part.
over here, but inside tension wire is there and electron coil is there. Okay. So
I think your exam starts from next Monday. So just for your study, I am not going to conduct the lecture on 3rd of April. That is on Saturday. Okay. Do you require any session for revision or for any doubt clearing? Dear students, do you require any such kind of session? Yes or no? Please respond. Okay, thank you. So I hope you have drawn the things. Yes is for what?
Sir, revision. Chapter 1.
Chapter 1 revision, motion.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can we keep it on Friday?
Yes, sir.
Time slot during my lecture?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So any other queries? Okay. So only you require revision of chapter 1 that would be conducted on Friday. Okay, Motion?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. So for rest of the things we will continue. I hope you have drawn the circuit diagram of sawtooth wave generator. Can I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I request everyone to kindly draw the waveform for the sawtooth wave.
Digital okay, digital to which we can have idea of field for store. Okay. And even if your mobile phone, there is a sensor. Several customers direct to which the field. Okay. So this particular inflator is widely used by construction workers. Okay, to find the inflator. Okay, so this video we already see you are uploaded this video. Okay, so what is the video? Okay, so it's explanation how it works, what we can do with inflator and types of the inflator fire. President gets the microelectronic.
Once you have drawn the waveform, please let me know so that I can cover the theory part.
It is nothing but available in our mobile. Okay, right? Here we can do calculation of various angles and
Okay, wait, are you there in the class? 27 number?
okay. The parameters are there.
8, are you there in the class?
Okay.
Enrollment number 10, Smith, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Smith, can you just let me know what is the difference between triangular waveform and sawtooth waveform? ખાલી વેવફોર્મ શેપ થી કઈક આઈડિયા આવે છે કે શું ડિફરન્સ થઈ શકે બંનેના વચ્ચે?
So there is force light is the strain gauge. Okay. If you are just going to look at the middle portion of the strain gauge, 1, 2, 3, 4 is friction. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are connected as shown in the right hand side figure. Okay. So one end is the strain gauge is fixed. So we are going to fix operation or force. Okay. And we can calculate strain. Well, this equation is very well known to us. The delta equation.
Yes, students.
So time.
स्मिथ, बेटा बोलो क्या डिफरेंस है ट्रायंगुलर वेव और सॉटूथ वेवफॉर्म में? वेवफॉर्म की शेप में कोई डिफरेंस दिखता है स्मिथ?
यस सर.
हाँ, क्या डिफरेंस है बेटा ये? अंतरा, एनरोलमेंट नंबर 17. 1717 अंतरा.
यस सर.
बेटा ट्रायंगुलर वेव और सॉटूथ वेवफॉर्म में क्या डिफरेंस है?
सर डिफरेंस इन राइज टाइम एंड फॉल टाइम.
ओके, गुड. सो ट्रायंगुलर में इक्वल है, इसमें अलग है कि क्या डिफरेंस, क्या किस तरह से?
ट्रायंगुलर में सर सिमेट्रिकल होता है राइज टाइम एंड फॉल टाइम.
यस. स्मिथ, in the previous article you have drawn triangular waveform, yes or no?
Yes,
Enrollment
sir.
number 10. Okay. હવે તમે આ જો આ sawtooth waveform છે. આ જે ફોલ થાય છે ને બેટા, આ ફોલ એનું જો અને ફોલ ટાઈમ પેલા ટ્રાયંગ્યુલર વેવફોર્મ નું જો, એ એપ્રોક્સિમેટલી અહીંયા સુધી આવે છે. તો આ જે ફોલ ટાઈમ છે અને સિમિલરલી આ જે રાઇઝ ટાઈમ નું જે સ્લોપ છે, આ પહેલા કરતા જુદો છે ટ્રાયંગ્યુલર વેવફોર્મ કરતા?
Yes, sir.
તો જે ટ્રાયંગ્યુલર વેવફોર્મ હોય છે ને એમાં રાઇઝ ટાઈમ અને ફોલ ટાઈમ એપ્રોક્સિમેટલી સિમેટ્રિકલ હોય છે, એટલે ઇક્વલ હોય છે. પણ sawtooth વેવફોર્મમાં એવું નથી હોતું. So we can say that in case of triangular waveform, the rise and fall time are same, which is not possible in case of sawtooth waveform. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what we can say from this point is the triangular waveform generator, the triangular wave generator, triangular waveform generator can be modified to make sawtooth wave generator. To make sawtooth wave generator by injecting a variable DC voltage. By injecting a variable DC voltage into, I hope you are writing it out, all of you. Should I repeat?
Sir, repeat.
Okay. The triangular wave generator can be modified to make sawtooth wave generator. To make sawtooth wave generator by injecting a variable DC voltage, by injecting a variable DC voltage into non-inverting terminal of A2, into non-inverting terminal of A2, non-inverting terminal of A2.
Vivek.
Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Rumi.
Output, next point. Output of A1,
Sai.
output of A1 is square.
Thank you for joining me.
And R4
In tomorrow's lab, me as well as Partha sir are going to check your height.
and R4
On Thursday.
is adjusted
We are
and R4 is adjusted at a certain DC level and R4 is adjusted at a certain DC level.
okay.
That is output of A2 triangular wave with certain DC level. Triangular wave with certain DC level. A duty cycle of less than 50%, a duty cycle of less than 50% would change output in sawtooth. Would change the output in sawtooth. Dear students, I hope I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
I am having a lab of 1C11 batch tomorrow from 10:30 to 12:30. During that time, I would check your experiments. It must be updated as per our talk in our previous labs. The students who are not able to complete the experiments in due time, they would not be allowed for mid-semester exams. I hope I am audible. The students, those who would not be able to submit the experiments in time tomorrow during our lab session, up till now whatever have been taught, they would not be allowed to enter the mid-semester examination. I hope it is clear to all of you. If you feel that
Yes,
you
sir.
would be able to appear the exams and then everything would be sorted out, it would not be done. It would not be done. So kindly take it seriously. Similar implementation would be in Friday's lab also. Similar implementation would be in Friday's lab of 1A11 batch also. Kindly inform the students of 1A11 and 1C11 that they must submit all the experiments as per the suggestion and instructions given by the lab teacher. By any means. By any means. Now, let us proceed further. If the Viper of, you might be understanding, sir, R4 क्या है? This is R4, huh? This is R4. This is R2. This is R4. So you are providing the DC supply from here. This is my R4. Okay. So if the Viper of R4, Viper means the potentiometer માં જેમ vary થાય છે એવી રીતે જે arrow છે, if the R4 is at center, then our output is triangular waveform. And if our Viper of R4 is at any other position, then we are having sawtooth waveform. You can see I have written also and I have drawn the waveforms. If our Viper of R4 is at center, we are having triangular waveform. If our Viper of R4 is at any other point, then it is sawtooth waveform. Can I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. If our Viper is moving towards minus VCC, if our Viper is moving towards minus VCC position, then the rise time of the sawtooth is greater than the fall time. Rise time of the sawtooth waveform is greater than fall time. I repeat, if our wiper is moving towards minus VCC position, then rise time of the sawtooth waveform is greater than fall time of the sawtooth waveform. Vice versa, if our wiper is moving towards plus VCC position, then rise time of the sawtooth is less than the fall time of the sawtooth waveform. Should I repeat?
No, sir.
Okay. Can I proceed further or should I stop? Dear students, please let me know, should I stop or should I proceed further? Yes or no? Students, please respond yes or no. I know my voice is audible. Hello, students, please say it frankly, yes or no.
Sir, we can stop here.
Okay, fine, not an issue. Thank you, Rishi. So I stop over here. That's all for today's lecture, guys. Thank you. In case of any doubts or queries, please do let me know. You may leave the lecture. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.